Hello, my name is Miguel Torres. Today we are going to make bread chicken. First, we season the chicken with dressing and the other spices. Take an egg and beat it and salt to your liking. On a plate, we put the breadcrumbs, pass the chicken through the edge and sprinkling with the breadcrumbs.
Hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me.
When this is done, spread the oil in a pan.
We were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing.
We wait for it to heat up and fry our bread chicken. On a plate we serve the rice and the steam, and this is how our plate looks.